Hello everyone. Welcome back to MQL5 Mastery, where my audience gets unbiased and honest reviews. My last video was quite a hit, and I'm glad many people got alerted and saw the truth. I received many messages, including legal threats, because of my last video about Quantum Emperor Expert Advisor. But here I am again, providing another unbiased and honest review, this time about Quantum Queen EA. Yes, you heard it right, another review from the same developer. Quantum Queen EA was launched on June 21, 2024, and in just 20 days, it has taken the top spot on MQL5.com. Out of curiosity, I decided to review Quantum Queen Expert Advisor. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Don't skip this video, watch till the end. This might save you a lot of money. I will keep this video short and to the point. In this video, I'll cover 1. Important highlights and developers' claims. 2. Backtests and their results. 3. Strategy and risk management. 4. Comparison of backtest results with live account. 5. Reviews. 6. Pros and cons. 7. Final conclusion and rating. Important highlights and claims. Quantum Queen is a gold trading expert advisor. Live signal available. Both MT4 and MT5 versions available. Grid strategy expert advisor. Trades on any time frame. Plug and play, no set files needed. Recommended broker, IC Markets or any low spread broker. Initial capital, $500. Minimum leverage, 1:100. Requires hedging account. VPS Recommended. Let's begin with backtesting. Before we start, let's take a look at the screenshots and expose a few things. The developer claims that from 2018 to 2024, Quantum Queen EA made $21 million in profit. However, our backtests revealed something else, which I will expose shortly. The history quality is claimed to be 100%, but it's been edited to mislead people. If you zoom in, you'll see that the history quality is blurred compared to other text, proving it has been edited. This raises a question: can we rely on these screenshots? The developer is clever,
Nice.
But scams leave evidence. Now, let's get back to backtesting. I'll perform 2 backtests, one that people normally do and another that expert advisor investigators do. Let's begin with the normal backtest. So, I am gonna backtest Quantum Queen Expert Advisor on IC Markets live account. Let's download the Expert Advisor for backtest. Now, as I have downloaded the Expert Advisor, let me quickly set up the Expert Advisor on Strategy Tester. So, I have selected the Expert Quantum Queen. Symbol gold. I have selected the backtest dates, what a normal user will select. This year or this month, right? I have selected January 1st, 2024 to till date. Delays, last ping from server. Modeling quality, every tick based on real ticks. I have unchecked profit in pip for faster calculation as I want the commissions and swaps to be calculated. I have input deposit at $500, which is the required capital for the expert advisor. Selected the leverage 1:500. Let's begin the test. I will just fast forward the test and let's see the results. Okay, so the backtest has finished. Let's have a look at the growth curve and analyze it. So, When a normal person or normal user backtest this expert advisor and see such kind of beautiful growth curve, he will get extremely impressed by the performance. And why not? The account has been doubled in just 7 months, which is around 14% average return per month, which is, I must say, pretty good. So, what else does this curve tell us? As you see here, these downward slopes are nothing but the grid trades by the expert advisor. Let me show you with a short clip. I just gave you the look of the grid strategy of Quantum Queen EA in the clip, which also means when expert advisor opens a trade and the market starts to go against, it will open multiple trades aggressively and try to average the trades to close in profits. But what I felt is, this expert advisor is extremely aggressive in terms of creating grid of multiple trades which can eventually lead to a wipe account, no matter how good the expert advisor is performing in the current market. Now, let's talk about the performance statistics. So, let me just quickly tell you the important info from the performance stats here. I must say that the performance stats are quite pretty, like it has profit factor 5.05. A nice Sharpe ratio of 13.36. Very low drawdowns, equity drawdown is just 12.31%. Accuracy is also high, around 80%. So everything looks great, but I want to show you guys something important. I know many people are getting excited and impressed after seeing such great results, but watch till end guys, got a little surprise for you. Let's now begin with backtest number 2. I will just change the date to January 25th, 2022, and now I am doing the backtest as an investigator. Let's begin the test and see what happens. What you just saw here is the absence of risk management, and due to extremely aggressive grid strategy of expert advisor, the account got wiped out on January 25th, 2022. As I told you earlier, a great expert advisor should be able to handle every move and market condition, but Quantum Queen is a total failure in doing that. And that kind of some move can happen anytime in gold market, because gold is the most aggressive instrument of all. Now, after that backtest, let's talk about the strategy and risk management of Quantum Queen expert advisor. So if I have to say in one word about the strategy of Quantum Queen expert advisor, then it would be aggressive or amateur. And there is no risk management technique used in the expert advisor, so I cannot comment anything about that, or I would just say, a total absence of risk management. Now, let's compare and see whether the backtest results matches with the real account results using the same broker. Okay, so this is the live signal attached with the expert advisor. Let's see if the results matches with the backtest. So, if we scroll down and see that this account has been published in April and the trading was started in April 2024. What I am gonna go is, I will just match the current month's trades starting from the latest. So, what you seeing on left is backtest trades and on right is live account trades. Let's begin with matching. So first trade was taken on July 2nd and closed in profits on July 3rd, it matches exactly with live account. This was second trade which matches with live account. Third one also matches. And this cluster of trades also matches with live account. So, we can say that, backtest results are matching with the live account, means the account results are not fake. Let's now quickly talk about the reviews now. I will talk about 3 reviews out the 6. This review was given on June 22, 2024, just after first day of Expert Advisor's launch. Doesn't matter what it is written in the review, but it is eventually increasing the rating of the EA. This review and its rating has been removed by the system, means it could be a fake review detected by the system. Now, this last review was given on July 10th and this guy bought the Expert Advisor 2 weeks back, means just after 14 days he left a positive review with 5-star ratings, and in July this Expert Advisor hardly had 4 trades, meaning on the basis of 4 to 6 trades this guy has judged the Expert Advisor's performance, which is misleading. Bogdan Ion Puskesug, the developer of Quantum Queen Expert Advisor and Quantum Emperor Expert Advisor, generates these kind of misleading reviews in return of an Expert Advisor. Let me show you the screenshot of his text message and how he is getting so much positive misleading reviews. Screenshot. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of Quantum Queen EA. Let's start with pros. Live signal is available. Available for MT4 and MT5 both. Backtest and live results matches. Small capital required to start. Let's see the cons now. Aggressive grid strategy. Misleading reviews. Small live account history. Absence of risk management. Can lead to account wipeout. Not worthy. Misleading screenshots. Now, the time has come which we all have been waited for, what is the final conclusion and how much rating I will give to Quantum Queen EA. So the conclusion is, current EA performance is decent if we talk about 3 months, but keeping other things into mind like absence of risk management, aggressive grid strategy, misleading reviews, misleading screenshots and other things, I would not recommend this EA, but yes, if this will remain consistent for over 1 to 2 years, then yes, you can try this EA. But for now, keeping clients' safety into mind, absolutely no to this EA. Now, time for final ratings. So, out of 5 stars I will give 1.5 stars to this EA. I hope this video will help everyone to take a smart decision, and if you like my work then please support me by subscribing my channel, sharing, and liking this video. Your support will keep me motivated to make more review videos. Thanks for watching.